Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make this amazing, delicious, crunchy donuts. This turned so delicious and I hope you're going to give it a try. Let's get started. So I began by adding in all the dry ingredients, which is flour, powdered milk, dry active yeast, sugar, vanilla essence. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So I went ahead and stirred this together till well combined and then added in warm milk. Please make sure your milk is warm, and then egg. I'll then attach the hook, cover it and let it start to do its job. So the last ingredient that I'll be adding here is salt. Make sure the salt is the last ingredient that you add to it. So I'll let it knead for at least 5 minutes before adding in the butter. But of course you can do this by hands. Sometimes I do this by hands, but today I was feeling a little bit lazy, so I used the machine for doing the dough. So after 5 minutes, I went ahead and added in the butter. I'll let it work for extra 5 minutes more, and then I'll take it off from the machine. So in total, I let it knead for about 7 to 10 minutes. And you're looking for a stretchy dough. After, I'll turn it on my work surface, but before, I'll sprinkle a little bit of flour on my work surface, turn it on it, and then divide it into smaller pieces. You're looking for 50 to 60 grams each, and then when you press the dough and it bounces back, that means it's there, you're at the right point. So I'll go ahead and divide it into smaller pieces, around 50 to 60 grams each, and then I'll let it rest for at least 30 minutes. So it's very easy. Just divide it into the size of your choice, and then roll it in a round shape, just like so, as demonstrated in the video. I'll then cover it with a clean napkin and then let it rest for at least 30 minutes before forming the donuts. After 30 minutes, I'll go ahead and form the donuts. So you just have to use your index finger, just dip it in the flour and then create a wheel in the middle, just like so. It's very simple, easy, very simple. After, I'll dip it in water to make it a little bit sticky, and then I'll dip it or I'll coat it in the breadcrumbs. So it's very simple, easy, and you're ready to go. It's crunchy, guys. This is crunchy and it's delicious. It is very delicious. You can even add desiccated coconut to the breadcrumbs as well, and then trust me, at the end it's going to turn out great. After, I then covered it and I let it double in size. So I let it rest for at least 1 hour. It's very cold here, so I did it 1 hour 30 minutes. But if you're in a warm place, 1 hour should be fine, or until doubled in size. So guys, this turned out so delicious. It's yumicious. Please try this recipe and let me know in the comment section or in the description box below. After, go ahead and keep turning it until it turns to slightly golden brown, and then you are there, guys. Just look at this amazing, this delicious. You need to try this recipe because you're going to love it. It's just the normal donut but more crunchy because I used the breadcrumbs. So I used panko breadcrumbs, and it makes it more crunchy, guys. It was delicious. After, you can sprinkle a little bit of sugar or desiccated coconut on top whilst they are still warm. So when you get to this point, it's ready, and I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at this amazing thing. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all and stay blessed.